Good day, everyone. We are Group 3 and we are presenting our report on the results from activities 4, 5, and 6. Briefly starting from equipment loading priority, aircraft loading sheet and planning, creating a weight and balance loading sheet, lastly, conclusion and explanation. So, aircraft loading sheet and planning, design and create your own professional weight and balance loading sheets. On these sheets, arrange the total load occupants, fuel, equipment in the aircraft to ensure the final takeoff weight and center of gravity are within the
Aircraft weight and balance, load planning. Load planning results and center of gravity determination. In our presentation, we discuss how to plan the aircraft's load, determine the results of the loading, and calculate the aircraft center of gravity. First, we identify the equipment loading priorities. This includes essential items such as airworthiness certificate, logbook, pilot's gear, and first aid kit. Next, we move to load planning, where objective was maximum range. This means we needed to load the maximum usable fuel so the aircraft can fly the farthest distance possible. In our example, the aircraft can carry up to 50 gallons of fuel. By multiplying 50 gallons by 6 pounds per gallon, we found that the fuel weight is 300 pounds. We also compared this to the aircraft maximum takeoff weight limit, which is 2,550 pounds, to make sure we are still flying safely within limit. CG is very important because it affects the stability of the aircraft. By calculating weight, arm, and moment for every item loaded in the aircraft, we can determine the correct CG position. We will present our activity number 5, aircraft weight and balance computation using Mach or mean aerodynamic chord. This activity focuses on computing the aircraft center of gravity location as a percentage of Mach, which is a standard requirement in aviation safety and documentation. This activity is understand the concept of Mach and how it is used to determine the CG location. We ensure that the aircraft remains within safe flight stability limits. We began by listing all the components that contribute to aircraft weight, including basic empty weight, crew weights, rear seat occupants, baggage, and usable fuel. For each weight, we multiplied it by its respective arm to compute the moment. After getting all individual moments, we sum them up to get the total weight and the total moment. This means the CG is located 10.28% from the leading edge of Mach. We can confirm that the aircraft is legally and safely loaded before flight.
For the activity number 7 is ito yung table. Ang pilot namin nako si co-pilot si Isidro, sa rear seat si Bringes. So, ginawa namin yung nakalagay sa given na basic empty weight times sa arm na binigay, tapos pinag-times lang namin yun. Tapos ganun din ginawa namin sa the rest, sa pilot, co-pilot, and rear seat. Tapos inad namin yung total weight tsaka yung usable fuel na 50 gallons, tapos times namin sa 6. Tapos inad namin yung total weight, tapos ganun din ginawa namin sa moment para makuha namin yung total moment. Tapos yung total weight tsaka total moment dinivide namin para makuha namin yung center of gravity. Next naman, sa next na loading graph, ang ginawa namin is pinagsama namin yung pilot tsaka co-pilot kasi sa front passenger sila. So, yung total weight ng dalawa ng pilot tsaka co-pilot is 324. So, tinansya lang namin kung saan yung 324, tas para makuha namin yung moment. Ganun din sa rear passenger. Kung anong weight ng rear passenger, i-graph lang namin hanggang sa makuha namin yung moment. Sa next graph, yun naman yung total weight namin na nasa table. Tinansya lang din namin kung saan sa banda, tapos pababa para yung tinapat namin siya sa total moment. So, ang result nun, pasok kami sa
aircraft specified limits. So these are our weights for the aircraft. Basic empty weight is 1,700 pounds. Pilot Magalona 172. Co-pilot Isidro 152. Brinkas rear seat 121. And usable fuel from 40 gallons times 6. Moment is 73,100, 6364, 5624, 8833, 14,370. So it equals to 100,291. So this is the loading graph. Our maximum weight is 2,495 and total moment is 108. Aircraft loading sheet and planning, final takeoff weight and CG calculation. The final total weight and moment are found by summing the values from the previous slide. CG calculation equals total moment over total weight. So this is just the description, total weight and moment. The weight is 2,495 pounds and total moment is 108,291. So the total takeoff weight, the maximum takeoff weight is 2,550 and it is within the limits. Our value is at 2,495. The center of gravity solved from total moment over total weight is 44.29. The aircraft is within the limit. Conclusion and explanation. Weight and balance procedures. We conducted a standard deviation weight and balance analysis determining the total weight and total moment of the load configuration, basic empty weight, occupants, maximum fuel, and equipment. The center of gravity was then calculated by dividing the total moment by the total weight. Finally, we verified the configuration against two critical operating limits, the maximum takeoff weight and CG moment envelope. The total aircraft weight successfully met the maximum takeoff weight. We confirmed the configuration by plotting the results on the loading graph. The result is when plotting the point falls within the normal category CG moment envelope. Conclusion: this load configuration is compliant as both the takeoff weight and the center of gravity are within the limits. And that is all. Thank you.